Hey everyone, for this video I'm excited to create a tutorial for spinning cars. So what you need to do is simply follow along with me step by step. After that, just remove the background like I do. Next is, you just need to put a keyframe on every beat of your music and kindly move it around. Like I did. And after that, you just need to put a graph and just do it like I do. After that, you just need to export it and you're done. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this.